Hi guys, welcome back to my channel once again. In today's video, I'm going to be revealing Toloka app. Okay, I'm going to be showing you how to create an account, complete your profile, understand the tasks available, and share my personal experience using the platform. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purpose only. Your earning and available tasks may vary depending on your location, your profile, and qualification. Always make sure you do your own research before joining any online app. Okay, the question is that what is Toloka? Toloka is an online platform where users complete small digital tasks for payment. Some tasks include image labeling, data verification, AI training tasks, website testing, and survey content moderation. Okay, the numbers of available tasks depend on your location and your qualification level. Thing you need to do is download the local app from Google Play Store or Apple Store. Open the app and sign up. You can register by using your email or your Facebook. Okay, enter your information carefully. Now I'm going to be selecting the Google account I want to use to sign in here. I'm going to take you step by step how to register here successfully and start seeing your tasks that you can actually perform here. Then now I've already signed in on this app. Then as you can see, fill your personal detail, provide your first name, your last name, and date of birth exactly is shown on your official document. Okay, all you need to do is for you to put in your legal name on this app. Okay, the name that is on your document that you're going to be using to verify here. Okay, make sure you put your correct date of birth. Okay, do not just guess date of birth and put here. Make sure it is like this on your official document ID. Okay, make sure you provide everything correctly. Then I'm going to go ahead and put in my last name that is on my document. Okay, make sure everything that you are putting here is line with your document that you want to submit here. If you are from Nigeria, like NIN or any country you are from, make sure you put the name that is on your document. Any document that you feel like I want to use it to verify here on this app, make sure you provide the correct name, the correct date of birth, okay, so that they will not deny you survey, or maybe it reached a time for you to verify and receive your payment. You might not see it because of the mistake you made. Okay, so all you need to do after you fill in your name, make sure you select everything. Then you can select your country of residency. I'm gonna go ahead and select Nigeria. Okay, then I'm going to click continue. Now if you click continue, it's going to bring it to this interface that are going to ask you to download an app. This is the way you're going to be start doing your tasks. You need to go ahead and download this app. Okay, you see this app I'm downloading now. I need to go ahead and pause it so that it will not take time. Then as you can see, I've logged in on this app. You need to go ahead and log in with the same email that you used to log in on Toloka, because two of them relate. Okay, that is the reason why sometimes you will download this app and you might not see tax because you didn't download this particular app. Okay, now you can see that they tell me project 2, which image is better, availability. Now as you can see, my profile is there and my skills, experience, my payment method is already there. You can see that which image is better. Now we need to go ahead and complete all these things. Complete your profile picture. As you can see, get started. Go ahead and complete your profile. As you can see, upload your resume. We will use it to preferred your application detail accepted. Okay, make sure you upload everything correctly. You see that project 1. Let me just go ahead and show you how you can actually be receiving tax on this platform, because that is the most important thing. If you don't complete all these things now, you cannot be able to be receiving tax on this platform. As you can see, I verify your phone number to continue. This protects your account and your earning. Now you need to go ahead and put your phone number. Right now I'm going to go ahead and put my Nigeria phone number. Okay, because remember that you selected Nigeria as your country. Okay, it's less for you to go ahead and put the same um phone number like from Nigeria. Okay, as you can see, they have already sent me the code on my WhatsApp. I need to go ahead and copy the code. Okay, and paste it here. Let me just go to the app and paste it here. And I think the code have already expired. I have to go ahead and do another one. No tax is available. The project is still active. Check back later. Okay. Like now, I'm recording this particular video that I'm recording now. This app now, this particular tax now is already activated. I've already been performing my tax on this app. Okay. As you can see, you have joined the project. Okay. This is the where you're going to be receiving tax on this platform. Okay, now you can see in progress too. Like right now I'm recording this video, my tags have already started functioning very well. Okay, I don't have any problem on this app. But if you don't complete the necessary things on this app, you might not be able to see other tasks for you to perform. So you need to go ahead and complete all these projects so that you can start to perform tasks on this platform. Okay, as you can see the project 2, as you can see in progress, the project 2 is already in progress. You can see once I click on it, you are going to see guidelines. Okay, it's very important for you to go through the guidelines and know what they're talking about before proceeding to any tax. Okay, you can see that will you be able to use VPN for this project? As you can see, the option 1, I am from USCA. Yes, I will use VPN. Like if you're from US and you want to use VPN, you can actually use VPN. As you can see, no, I am not from US. Okay, I need to go ahead and select no because I am not in US right now. I am in Africa. Okay, as you can see, no, I am not be able to use VPN. Okay, now they will ask you, do you have any shop app account? As you can see, visit shop app to create access on your account. Please select the option that applies to you. Yes, I do have an account and I'm interested in participating in this project. Yes, anything like you feel like add here, but make sure when adding it, be very careful because it might cause you not to be getting server on this platform. Okay, make sure you download this particular app that connected with Toloka AI. Okay, make sure you download it, follow this instruction and download this particular app because this particular app is where we are going to be performing your tax on this platform. Okay, because without you downloading this a particular app, you cannot be able to be performing tax on this platform. This is actually my account, and this is how my account looks like. As you can see, projects, explore account. Now this is the withdrawal payment with like now if you completed your tax and you earn something, you can actually come over to the payment method. If you click on payment method, you're going to be seeing balance available to withdraw, pending for the next payment date, in review total. Okay, maybe you want to complete your survey and like they have not been approved, you see in review because any task you perform in this platform, they are going to be reviewing it, and once they accept it, that is where you're going to be getting paid on this platform. As you can see, set up a withdrawal. As you can see, connect a preferable system for easier money withdrawal. And now as you can see, what is available is Payoneer, and the minimum you can withdraw from Payoneer is actually $20. Okay, and they have paper. Okay, you can actually use any of these two to withdraw. If it's available in your country, you can actually go ahead and use it to withdraw. Of course, Payoneer is available in Africa. Okay, I'm going to be uploading the video how you can actually create and verify Payoneer account in Africa step by step. Like I'm going to be complete everything. Just make sure you stay tuned. Okay, guys, this is how you can actually go ahead and be getting survey. You need to put in your phone number and verify your phone number before you can start receiving tax on this platform. Okay, maybe it is not like this on your location, but the location I'm in right now, you need to go ahead and verify your phone number before you can get qualified in some tax on this platform. Okay, just survey and rest of them. Okay, make sure add your phone number. Once your tax is available on your region, they are going to be notify you that tax is available. Then you go ahead and perform your tax. Okay, how this app work, you need to start with your phone number, verify your phone number before all that tax will start appearing on your account. Okay, like I said before, this is how it appear on my own region. Okay, now, if you have any question, you can drop it on the comment section below. I'm going to go ahead and reply each and every one of you. If you have encountered anything about this app, you can actually share your experience about Tolonka app on the comment section below. Let me know. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on my next video. Okay, bye.